Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm here with something a little special for July. And this is the first video. I will be posting a video every day of July. They will be short videos, one little project, and they are to participate in Carrie Griffith's challenge. It's hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. And it's a video every day. And so rather than replace my other videos, I'm going to do a quick video every day with this challenge. So let's talk about it. What we're going to do is that video every day, completing one postcard each day. It needs to have an element that has been created on a jelly plate. And each one will also have the number of the day. So we're going to do July 1st today. So let's see what else. Oh, and Carrie said they need to be 6x4. Well, I have all these postcards and they're 3x5. So I'm already breaking the rules, Carrie. I don't know. I guess you're gonna have to kick me out the group. So anyway, they're going to be fairly short. I'm anticipating like under 5 minutes. This will probably be the longest one because I'm explaining the challenge to you. And then maybe the wrap-up one will go through all the cards. And so that one might be a little longer too. But yeah, so that's basically it. Carrie will have announced this on June 24th, so you might go back to his channel if you missed that video. He'll announce this challenge and talk more about it. But we're going to get started on postcard number 1. So, yeah, we're just going to do this thing. I was a little scared to participate, I'm not going to lie, because I have my subscriber retreat in July. But then Carrie said, well, I'm going to give you all the scoop and you just film them ahead. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so this one is going to go up and down ways. You know, a lot of postcards do go the up and down. So there is that. Now I would like to have a little book page like right about there. So we're going to put that on. Also, my normal videos, they go on at midnight, my time. But these videos are going to go on at noon, my time. That's what I'm thinking I'll do, just so they're not overlapping too much. But yeah. So, I mean, it's my friend Carrie. I had to do his challenge, didn't I? I think so. As well, I've kind of added a little challenge to myself too. I am trying to use up ephemera even. And so that is also kind of one of my missions in participating in this, is to decorate with ephemera that, you know, that has been hanging around for a while. So I definitely need a new one of these. Okay, I'm going to put that kind of in there, I think. Just kind of seeing where I'm going to set things. Okay, and then this little puppy's going to go there. So we're just going to get gluing here. Okay, let's put these little leaves on. So you can see, and I've got all 31 prepared already, so that I can just boom, 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 film these, because yeah, it's a really busy time of year for me. I did hesitate. I will admit that. I did hesitate because I said, oh my gosh, Carrie, my retreat is in July. And I knew I wouldn't be able to do anything, you know, end of June, July, because I'm just completely absorbed with that. But But we're finding time, Ceri. We are. Let me just go a little, I don't know, a little sideways with that. Just put it down, Gail. Just put it down. And then we'll put this on like so. That's going to go down here. And then this little puppy dog, so cute, is going to go right here. I think right here. And then this is a sticker. So I have it stuck to some acrylic because, like I said, I was preparing these ahead, and so it was like, okay, I can't glue it down because I'm doing that on camera. So what shall I do? Oh my gosh, I just chunked out my glue. That happens. Okay, so I'm going to put the number 1 right there for July 1st. So let's grab the paper towel because ew. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. There is our first jelly postcard play postcard. So that's it. We will see you in the next one. It'll be coming tomorrow. So have a grateful day, everyone. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.